Hey, Captain! Captain Chris Johnson here. Yep, I'm late. I had to get a few of my haircuts. What's happening today, guys? Exciting week? Boom! Exciting week. That's what I'm here to tell you. Let's wait for some people to get on here because I'm late and they're like, where is Chris Johnson at? He's late again. No, Marty was late. All right, we got 5 people on here. I don't know who you are yet, but let's get going. Today o'clock. Yep, have another cup of coffee, Chris. I haven't drank coffee in a while. It is what time is it? 1:22. Little more than a half hour. You can have the 2 o'clock. The 2 o'clock. Guess what? Guess who just might show up on there? Yep, you know what I say. Ash Mafar, he's been real consistent about showing up the last month, I'd say, on Monday. So, do I know for sure? No, I don't. But yeah, I'm just going to say, be ready. He might show up. Pretty cool. So, just watched Red's live earlier, Marty's live. Both excellent lives as usual. And they were talking about value. Now, here's two guys that have done this online marketing or online businesses for years. This cat hasn't. Okay? I was working in a factory, Ford Motor Company, Mazda Motors. I did many things in my life. Okay? I didn't do any of that stuff. Yeah, years ago I tried to get on do a website. Did pretty good, but nothing like these guys went through. So they were touching on value today. Actually, the last month, Ash Mafar has been talking about value. Marty and Red talked about value. I got a different value, okay, from what I've seen. Because I worked labor all my life, the value for me is it's all done for you. All right, $97, it's all done for you. Period. All right, that's the value for me. Get your time back. Go enjoy your life. That's my value. All right, that's the value that I want to portray. Everyone, man, I can sit there and break it down like Red and Marty because they do it beautiful and they really understand it a lot more about the value of the products, everything. But for me, the value for me, an average guy, is all done for you. All right, that you can't touch that value. But if you plug in and you understand what Onpassive's all about, then you'll understand the value of what it is. Our products alone are superior. People say, Chris, how do you know that? I've seen them. Okay? And then you throw in that AI, artificial intelligence, all right, you see the value grow. Every single day, the value of Onpassive grows. All right? For all of us. All right? And I still have people call me, Chris, what'd you get in that for? Because I understood the value of it's all done for you. I tell people, well, you can keep working for 30, 40, 50 years. You get a retirement. Takes a long time to get that. I tell people, pay the $97. All right? Understand the value of $97. All right? You're working 50, 60, 40, whatever you work a week, where's your value? You get a paycheck. You get a paycheck, but you're there in their time. You lost value. Ash Mafar said the other day, he was talking about me. Yep, Chris spent 32-year wasted time of his life. And I have to agree with him. All right? I fell into that vicious cycle as, you got to get a job. You get married, you got bills. So you got to go to work. All right, that's what we were told since we were born. Yeah, you got to get a job. All right? This guy changed that. A lot of us are still working right now. Someone's calling me. Hold on. I'm going to hang up on him. Sorry, guys. A lot of us are working right now. Not me. I'm retired. Okay? That's what we're doing right now. But when Onpassive launches to the world, you're going to have options. All right? Let it build up. You're not going to be, hey, success the very first day. We guarantee success. It's going to take a little time to build up, but you don't have to do it. There's the value. You do not have to do it. There's the value. Sure, we're out right now sharing, talking about it, trying to get people that we love and care about in this so they don't have to spend the rest of their life behind a desk in a factory on a roof, sweeping floors, whatever you do, okay? The value is it's all done for you. That's what I get out of this. But when you actually look at what we have, the value in staff. It's going to create businesses easier. It's going to save them money. It's going to save them the time. There's the value. No one's done that before. Okay? Academy, which we were talking about all last week. The value just quadrupled because now you can actually do your own course. Listen, you can study the courses that are on there and get educated. Value. You can create a course that maybe is a hobby or a passion of yours, no matter what it is, and you're going to get paid for it. Value. Number 3, you join Onpassive for $97. $97, $102 with a credit card charge. The value of your life just exploded. Why? Because everything you're using right now, they do not pay you. Onpassive is going to pay you. You're going to earn a residual income. That's the value. All right? So all those people that's watched me do this for the last, I don't know, since last October. I'm terrible at math, but I know value. Okay? All those people said, Chris, you're crazy. And then all those people that jumped in and said, Chris, I definitely want to check this out. $100, Chris? $100? Yep. And then what? When we launch, you're going to pay anywhere from $300 or less. Okay, I go with $300 one time. And boom, Onpassive's going to work with you. So look at, let's just say $400 right now, total, to own a business that's multi-billion-dollar company, and you're part of it. All right? Think of all those platforms that you didn't get in because they didn't let you. All right? There's no risk in this, folks. It's a money-back guarantee. All right? But $97, and it's all done for you. Right? I didn't even have to think about it. If Bill Ford would have said that to me, Chris, give me $97, we're going to do it all for you. We're going to pay you a lifetime residual income. Heck no, he didn't say that. He said, Chris, I want you to go work as many hours as you can. Make the time and a half, double time. Do it. Do it till you bleed. Do it till you can't breathe anymore, Chris. But I'm going to pay you. And that's what I did. And I bled, I sweat, and it sucked. 32 years later, my body took a toll. All right, your brain, your family. There was no value in it. The value to working is, you might get a check every Friday. That's their value. The value of Onpassive is getting paid residual income for doing nothing, not have to kill yourself, and really enjoy yourself. If you look at the history of Ash Mafara, that was his goal from the beginning. Not only to help people, but let's free people up. How do we do that? Let's do it all for them and let them earn a residual income. It's 3.5 years going on. We've got 1 million, almost 200,000 founders that see the value in it. But the value is, guys, to me, it's almost like free money. All right? It's almost like free money because some guy named Ash Mafara and his staff is doing it all for you every single day, nonstop. And I hope he comes on today. I'm sure he's going to talk about value. All right, the man is a giving person. All right, to all those people out there who don't know Ash Mafara, I suggest you get to know him, understand him, what he's about. Yep, Chris, that just sounds too good to be true. Everyone says that. Sounded too good to be true to get to the moon, too, right? To Mars, right? Individuals made it happen. Ash Mafara is one of those individuals that makes things happen. All right? He walks through hell every day, dealing with every government, countries, lawyers, to make sure it's all done right. What company's done that? All right? Marty was talking about we get one shot at launch. Every company gets one shot at launch. He's going to make it so it's a perfect launch. Failure is not an option for Ash Mafara, or for me, for any of the founders that are out there. So let me say hi to a few people because I'm rambling on, because I know I got less than a half hour here. Marty Lowe, how you doing? Dale Cruz. Juanita Michael, what's happening? Patty McGuigan, my brother, man. You put out some really good posts lately, Patty, man. I'm loving those. Tracy Gear, how you doing? Oh, it's jumping. Pat Parent, another live monster. Keep going, Pat. Keep going. Judy Turner Miller, how you doing? Oh, boy. It's Mr. Duda, I'm going to say, because your first name I have a hard time. Uh, Rupa, Paul, there you are. Hello, beautiful from India. Let me see. I got a bunch of people on here. I'm trying to find your names. Vanna, how you doing? So, guys, just remember the value. If you get anything out of it, the most important thing is it's all done for you. I mean, there's people out there that spend their whole lives trying to find a good job. And the truth is today, there's not a lot of good jobs out there. All right? Now, I'd say paying jobs. But I used to tell myself as a young boy, and I'd listen to my parents, I'd listen to my aunts and uncles, find something that you truly enjoy. All right? And then work the heck out of it. Man, I found something I truly enjoy. It's called Onpassive. And I'm working the heck out of it. Why? Because I know what it's going to do for my family, for my friends, and for the world. There's my value. You can go to see Mr. Red. He did an excellent live, and Marty. They're going to tell you different values of Onpassive. I'm letting you know my value because I'm not that techie dude. I was an auto worker. I was a laborer. Okay? Did things that I didn't want to do, but I just did them. Sometimes hated myself. Why am I even doing this to myself? For that big old green monster there, right? But guess what? Ash come along and said, hey man, hey Chris, hey Ash, how you doing? I got something, a better way. Go fishing, man. We're going to earn residual income for you. We're going to do it all for you. My God, no worries, folks. Be patient, be kind, be respectful. Anyone that has not checked out Onpassive, I suggest you might. So please share this out. If someone does share this out, put your link on it. Get back to that person that shared it. If it's not me, get back to that person. I'm good with my team. My goal is to help other people build, other people change. Actually, get rid of the build part. Let's just say change lives. There's the value. There's the value. When's the last time you changed someone's life? You can't put a price on that, but that's nothing but value. That's what Ash Mafara wants. She wants to change your life so you can actually enjoy your family, enjoy your life, take some nice trips, have some nice things, help people out. Come on, man. What CEO says that? They don't say that. What they do is they just keep filling their own pockets. Filling their own pockets. That's what they do. This guy, who I call Ash Mafara, he don't do that. All his money is being used right now to build Onpassive. A lot of people say he's taking that Listen, the $97 hasn't been touched. That's strictly going to go for marketing for all of us. All right? That's the truth. That's the truth. He hasn't touched a dime of it. But when he does, it's going to be for you, for me, and for everyone else. So there's the value, guys. Go spend another $100 a week on lottery tickets. Where's your value? Add up how many years you actually played, even if you played $1 a day. Where's your value in that? It's a risk. This isn't a risk. This isn't a risk at all. It's about doing something completely different that no one's ever done before. There's the value. Something brand new. What happens when something brand new comes along? Smart people want to check it out. Individuals want to actually see, hey man, what's that all about? Me? I watched many things online for years. Man, I don't got time for that. Because you had to work it. You had to send emails. You had to market yourself. You had to do all that. Look for people. Hey, give me $1,000. Boom, boom. Next thing you know, they can't afford it. That's not what Onpassive's about. $97 to become a founder. $300 or less for your package fee when we launch. That's it. That's it. What else can I say? I'm excited. My name is Chris Johnson. They call me the hey man. Hey stands for welcome all. We love you all. Come see what something is going to do to change your life. What are you doing right now? You're complaining. You hate your job. You're miserable. Change that. Only you can change that. No one's going to change that for you. You have to do that. Value. The value you have is right here. You just got to use that value. Check out Onpassive. Get back with people. Get back with people that are in Onpassive and let them teach you their value. Every one of us have a different value when it comes to Onpassive. Mine is freedom. Okay? Mine is time. Mine is living life to the fullest. Because we only get to do it once, right? And we never know. Think about it. Value. Guys, I got to get going. I know you're all going to be on the 2 o'clock. Not sure if he's coming, when he's coming. Hey, Lister, how you doing? Oh, I miss the people. Georgie, what's happening? Joyce Parker Hicks. You guys know the value. You know what? And another thing, Red was talking about a company that evaluated O founders. I can't remember what they said, the net worth with the O founders. I know it was way up there. If someone's remembers that, put it in here. You know, when I get my hair cut, I get all messed up. Value. Think of value, but put it in your own perspective. You already know the value of Onpassive. Start thinking about your values, what you're going to be able to do because of Onpassive. That's the most important to me. If you got a birthday today, happy birthday. If you're sick, we're praying for you. Once again, my condolences go out to David Baku and his family and all P&G. We love you guys. We are very sorry for your loss, David. Guys, the value is here. It's up to you to make a difference. Go share with this Go share this with someone that you care about. Share it with someone you don't care about. You might get a new friend. All right. If I missed you guys in the comments, I will. Let's see. Sutan, how you doing? Robert Tantillo. The value. Nice post today, Robert. I got to get going. I love every one of you. We'll see you later. The value is where we're going, folks. Don't forget that. I'll see y'all later. Bill Must! Get that YouTube going, buddy. See you later.